How does deforestation affect animals? Have you ever wondered how the loss of forests impacts the animals that call them home? Deforestation is a serious issue that affects many species, especially birds. This process involves cutting down trees and clearing land for agriculture, urban development, and logging. As forests disappear, so do the habitats that countless birds relying on for survival. One of the most immediate effects of deforestation is habitat loss. Forests are essential for many bird species, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds. When these forests are destroyed, birds are left without homes. Many species face displacement, making it difficult for them to find new places to live and thrive. Ecosystem disruption is another major concern. Forests are complex systems where birds play vital roles. When trees are removed, the balance of these ecosystems is thrown off. This can lead to a decline in food availability, making it harder for birds to find the resources they need to survive. Migration is a key behavior for many bird species, especially those that travel to warmer regions during colder months. Deforestation in these areas can create challenges. When birds arrive at their usual destinations, they may find their habitats degraded or completely gone. This can be devastating after a long journey. Nesting and breeding are also impacted by deforestation. Many birds, especially cavity nesters, relying on trees for nesting sites. With fewer trees available, their ability to reproduce is limited, which can threaten their populations over time. Food supply is another critical factor. Forests are rich in food sources like insects, fruits, and seeds that birds depend on. When deforestation occurs, these food sources diminish, making it increasingly difficult for birds to find enough to eat. So, what can be done to address these challenges? Conservation efforts are essential for protecting bird habitats. This includes creating protected areas where forests can thrive and promoting sustainable land use practices that minimize deforestation. Encouraging sustainable practices like reforestation and agroforestry can help restore habitats. These methods not only benefit birds but also support local communities by providing resources without harming the environment. Community engagement is also vital. Raising awareness about the effects of deforestation on bird populations can inspire people to get involved in conservation efforts. Supporting organizations that work to protect bird habitats and advocating for policies that reduce deforestation can make a significant difference. By understanding how deforestation affects birds, we can take steps to preserve their habitats and ensure their survival for future generations. Every action counts, and together, we can make a positive impact on the world of birds.